What are they doing? What are they doing, Knox? Noxie? They're doing what?
They found the dirt. You guys just listening to
Whoa, he's going up the big rock. What? What? What is he doing, Noxie? Look at him. He's going up that huge mound of dirt. I thought it was a rock, but it's dirt. Loud beeping. Here comes the other guy. Oh, now the tanker's moving. What? They're all moving, yeah. See what this guy's doing. See what this guy's doing. Now the tanker's coming around. Oh, here comes the other guy, the grader, right? Oh, he's got a bunch of dirt in his back. Look at those big tires. The tanker moved over there. I wonder if he's going to start spraying the mound of dirt.
what?
Oh, yep, he's spraying it. He's getting it all wet so they can easily move it. There he goes. They all come. That's pretty cool how that center part turns, huh? And it picks up all the dirt. Huh, baby? Okay, you ready to go? It's kind of hot out here. Okay, I got some good footage so you can watch it later, okay?